Just one commands to pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Along lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Happy morning everyone. Today International and National News is brought to you by Vimesh of Grade IX Cerulean. International News. Iran to resume international flights from Masad Airport on April 20. National News. Soldiers found dead in Jammu camp. Investigation underway. Thank you.
Happy morning. State and Sports News brought to you by G. Sharat Kumar of Grade 10. State News. Thunder forecast in 13 Telangana district in April 20. Sports News. LAG versus Punjab. Punjab won by 54 runs. Thank you.
Everyone, today what is brought to you by Ashavardhan from Grade IX Cerulean. Felicity. It means great happiness, the ability to express things well. For example, the enjoyed a life of felicity of the countryside. Friends, we spell after me. Felicity. FILECITY. Thank you.
Thought is brought to you by Mahesh of Grade IX Cerulean. Thought. My mother gave me my drive, but my father gave me my dreams. I'll repeat once again. My mother gave me my drive, but my father gave me my dreams. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. Today's weather report is brought to you by Ishwar Singh from Grade IX Cerulean. Maximum temperature 42 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 35 degrees Celsius, wind speed 6 km per hour, humidity 36%. Thank you.
Today's GK questions are brought to you by K. Rajathik of Grade 9 Cerulean. Question for Grade 7. What is the full form of RSS? I am repeating again. What is the full form of RSS? Yes, we pick the right answer, and the answer is Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangham. Let us appreciate them. In how many countries RSS is followed? I am repeating again. In how many countries RSS is followed? No, you didn't pick the any answer, and the answer is 120 countries. Question for Grade 9. Who is the Chief Justice of Telangana High Court? I am repeating again. Who is the Chief Justice of Telangana High Court? And you didn't pick the any answer, and the answer is Prakash Kumar Singh. Apresh Kumar Singh. Open questions for all. What is the full form of INA? I am repeating again. What is the full form of INA? No, you didn't pick the any answer, and the answer is Indian National Army. Open question number 2. What is the full form of IAF? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Indian Air Force. Let us appreciate them. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. I am Vishant of Grade 10 and today I am speaking about few words on Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was a brave king of India born on 1630. He founded as Maratha Empire and he known for his courage, intelligence and strong leadership. He respected all the religions, treated everyone equally. and he believed that a king always protect his people. And Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was an inspiration to all of us. Thank you. Have a nice day.